Not all angle grinders deliver the power, control, or safety you expect, and choosing the right one can be confusing. We tested the top 5 angle grinders models of 2026 to find the best options for every budget and project, and our top pick might surprise you. Let's get into it. Before you buy, focus on these 3 things. Tip 1. Choose 6 to 8 amps for normal DIY work, or 10 plus amps for heavier cutting and grinding. Tip 2. A 4.5-inch grinder is the best all-around size for most home projects. Tip 3. Prioritize safety features like a paddle switch, adjustable guard, and comfortable side handle. Now let's get into the list. Coming in at number 5, the WEN 944. The WEN 944 is made for homeowners who need a simple grinder for occasional cutting, sharpening, rust removal, and small repair jobs without paying pro tool prices. It feels light in the hand, the rubber-backed grip helps with control, and the side handle can mount on either side for better comfort in different working positions. For basic metal cutting, mower blade sharpening, and light grinding, it performs well. Push it into thick steel or long, heavy jobs, and you'll feel why it costs less than premium models. You get a lock-on side switch, spindle lock, adjustable guard, 4.5-inch disc, wheel wrench, and an arbor adapter for both 5/8-inch and 7/8-inch wheels. Quick tip for making the most of this product: upgrade the included wheel for cleaner cuts, and let the grinder work at its own pace instead of pushing hard into heavy material. Buyers usually like the price, power, and lightweight feel, but some users find the switch design less intuitive at first. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a low-cost angle grinder for light DIY projects, tool sharpening, rust removal, and occasional garage work. Don't buy it if you need heavy-duty grinding power, daily job site durability, or a smoother, pro-grade switch feel. But if you want a more refined grinder from a bigger tool brand, the next option takes things up a level. Coming in at number 4, the DEWALT DWE4011. The DWE4011 is a smart pick if you want a compact corded grinder that feels quick, controlled, and easy to use for home improvement, metal cutting, tile work, and detail grinding. Its slim body is comfortable for longer jobs, and the low-profile gear case helps it fit into tighter areas where bulkier grinders can feel awkward. The 7-amp motor is not the strongest in this list, but the high 12,000 RPM speed makes it feel sharp and efficient for cutting, grinding, and cleaner finish work. You get DEWALT's tool-free one-touch guard, quick change wheel release, 2-position side handle, 5/8-inch 11 spindle, AC/DC power support, and a slide switch with lock-on. Quick tip for making the most of this product: let the high RPM do the work, and avoid forcing it through heavy grinding jobs where a stronger 10 or 11-amp grinder will feel better. Users often like its power, compact feel, and easy guard adjustment, but some buyers mention missing wrench issues or needing extra tools for certain aftermarket accessories. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a compact DEWALT grinder for fast cutting, detail work, and controlled DIY or light professional use. Don't buy it if you need maximum torque for heavy grinding, or you prefer a paddle switch with no lock-on. Now, compared to that, the next grinder gives budget buyers a bigger accessory bundle right out of the box. Coming in at number 3, the AVID Power Angle Grinder. This is a strong value pick for DIY users who want one affordable grinder that can cut, grind, polish, remove rust, and handle basic garage or home repair jobs. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes with a 2-position side handle, which helps beginners keep better control during cutting and grinding. For light to medium work, it feels quick and capable, especially for cutting bolts, sharpening blades, removing rust, and basic metalwork. For long, heavy grinding sessions, give it breaks so the motor does not overheat. You get cutting wheels, grinding wheels, a flap disc, auxiliary handle, adjustable guard, spanner wrench, and extra carbon brushes, so it gives beginners more to start with right out of the box. Quick tip for making the most of this product. The included wheels are useful for starting out, but better discs will improve cutting speed, finish quality, and overall safety. Buyers usually like the power, price, and included accessories, but feedback is mixed on long-term durability, switch feel, and guard stability. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want an affordable starter grinder with useful accessories for occasional DIY, rust removal, cutting, polishing, and light masonry work. Don't buy it if you need a grinder for daily professional use, long continuous grinding, or maximum build quality. But if you want a more established tool brand with a case and extra wheels included, the next grinder makes a very different value argument. Coming in at number 2, the Metabo HPTG12 SR4. This is one of the smartest picks for DIYers who want a reliable grinder from a known tool brand, plus wheels and a hard case included right away. It feels compact, balanced, and easy to control, with a smaller grip for less fatigue and a low-profile gear case that helps in tighter spaces. It is not the most powerful grinder here, but for home repairs, rust removal, blade sharpening, light cutting, and general metal cleanup, it feels smooth and dependable. You get 5 abrasive wheels, a carrying case, wheel guard, side handle, spanner wrench, spindle lock, and a left-mounted slide switch with quick-off safety. Quick tip for making the most of this product. Use it as a ready-to-go DIY kit, but choose a higher amp grinder if you plan to grind thick steel for long sessions. Buyers like the case, included wheels, lightweight body, and solid performance for home use, though some find the slide switch a little fiddly at first. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a trusted, lightweight grinder kit with accessories included for DIY, garage, farm, and home repair jobs. Don't buy it if you need maximum cutting speed, heavy-duty torque, or a grinder for daily professional metalwork. But if you want the strongest grinder on this list, the number 1 pick is where DEWALT really steps up. Coming in at number 1, the DEWALT DWE402. This is the top pick if you want serious cutting and grinding power in a compact 4.5-inch grinder that can handle tougher projects better than the lower amp models. It has a smaller gripping surface, a comfortable side handle, and a durable gear system, so it feels controlled without feeling weak or lightweight. The 11-amp motor gives it the strongest real-world performance in this list, especially for cutting metal, grinding welds, masonry work, and heavier DIY or contractor tasks. You get DEWALT's dust ejection system, 360-degree one-touch guard, tool-free quick-change wheel release, protected spindle lock, oversized brushes, and paddle switch with safety lock-off. Quick tip for making the most of this product. This grinder has more torque than budget models, so use proper discs, keep both hands on the tool, and let the motor do the work instead of forcing the cut. Buyers usually praise its power, durability, and versatility, but some users find it heavier than smaller budget grinders, which makes sense given the stronger motor. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want the most powerful grinder in this list for serious DIY, metalwork, masonry, cutting, grinding, and frequent use. Don't buy it if you only need a cheap grinder for rare, light tasks, or you prefer the lightest possible tool for quick, small jobs. And that's why the DWE402 earns the number 1 spot for buyers who want more power, better durability, and a grinder that feels ready for tougher work. So that's our look at the 5 best angle grinders for 2026. If you want the most power, go with the DEWALT DWE 402. If you want value, the Metabo HPT and AVID Power are strong picks. Check the links below for current prices, deals, and availability. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Gadget Flow video.